Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PGP. We'll cover generating your unique key pair, securely sharing your public key, and then using these keys to encrypt and decrypt messages. This process ensures your digital communications remain private and authentic. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation for secure online interactions. To begin, you'll need to generate your personal PGP key pair. This includes a public key, which you share, and a private key, which you keep secret. During this step, you'll create a robust passphrase. Remember, this passphrase is crucial for protecting your private key, so make it memorable yet complex. Once your key pair is generated, it's time to share your public key. This allows others to encrypt messages specifically for you, which only your private key can decrypt. You can easily upload it to a public key server or simply send it directly to your trusted contacts. This step is essential for enabling secure communication. Now that your PGP is set up, you can start encrypting and decrypting messages. To send a secure message, you'll use your recipient's public key to encrypt it. When you receive an encrypted message, you'll use your own private key and passphrase to decrypt it, revealing the original content. This completes your secure communication loop.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.